Alright guys, you're welcome to today's video. And today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can easily spot liquidity on the chart. As you all know, liquidity is one of a great thing in smart money concept. If you can understand liquidity very well, 100%, your trade will increase drastically to 90% to 99.9%. Yes, I'm sure of it. So now to start with, what is liquidity? Liquidity is the zone on the chart. Liquidity is the zone on the chart where trading activities are concentrated. That is where buyers and sellers are trading. So if you can identify where these people are located on the chart, then your trading will change. So in today's video, that's what I'm going to be showing you. So now, where can you find liquidity? You can find liquidity on at the support and resistance level. So you can see this is a resistance level. You can see these three triple top. You can call this is a pattern triple top. So there are a lot of liquidity at this zone. There are lot of liquidity here. So we have buyers and sellers at this zone. So that is where you have sell limit orders, you have stop losses, then you have even breakout, which is people that want to buy from this zone. So we have a lot of liquidity resting on this zone. So you can find liquidity at that zone. Then you can also find liquidity on trend lines. So when you see market ranging, moving up, forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So, and you draw this trend line, it means there are a lot of liquidity at this zone. There's a lot of liquidity here. It means some people are actually placing order here, buy limit order at this zone, that they are expecting the price to pull to this trend line and push upside, come back again to this trend line and push upside. So there are a lot of liquidity here. So the same thing for bearish trend line. So you can see here it moves up, touch the line, come back, which is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So there are a lot of liquidity line resting at this zone. Did you get that now? So I've showed you like two. Then another place where you can find liquidity is swing high and swing low. You know that market is not always moving in straight line like this. Market is not moving in straight line like this, but instead market move in zigzag direction. So every swing move, there's liquidity line there. Market move like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Do you get that now? So at this level, there are liquidity. Why is it liquidity? Because there are some people that have placed stop loss at this level, or some people have placed sell limit order or buy limit order at this level. The same thing at this level, the same thing at this level, and this level. So every swing, there is what? There's liquidity line at that level. So, and that is swing high and swing low. So there's liquidity here, there's liquidity here, there's liquidity here, there's liquidity here, there's liquidity here. So note that. Then the last one I'm going to show you is equal high and equal low. So you can see, if you draw this line now, you can see that. Let me try to draw this line. You can see this line is equal, this level is equal to this level. This is equal high, and this one is also equal, sorry, this one is also equal to this level, that is equal low. So it means that there are a lot of people waiting at this place to buy when the price break out. Did you get that now? And people that are waiting to buy, they will place the buy limit order at the top of this equal high and place their stop loss below the equal high. So, and for these people too, there are a lot of orders here. There are a lot of people they are waiting to buy to the upside, and there are a lot of people that are waiting to what? To sell. So there are stop losses, there are buy limit order and sell limit order on this zone. So if you can identify these four particular zones that I listed here, you will see your trading journey changing drastically. So let me take you to the chart now and show you some of the examples of where you can find liquidity based on this diagram that I showed you. So let's go. This is GBP USD. This is GBP USD. So you can look at this. Let's look at this one first. Let's look at this. Now, what do we see? What do we see? Let's look at this. So you can see the price the price moved down to this level. The price moved down to this level, and it creates a kind of minor pullback, which is a break of structure. Then hit this particular zone, push upside. I don't need to buy at this level because I trade smart money concept. So I will wait for a clear break of structure before I can set my trap. So the price move up again, come here. So you can see now that it has created a kind of a change of character. You can see this change of character. So now I have to map out my what's it called, my order here, which is my order block. I have to map out my order block here. So waiting for price to come down. But you see what price does? The price keep ranging at this level, forming what is called a trend line. You can see it's touching that line. You can see the price keep touching this line that, so creating the liquidity. The price got to this place and pull back. What do you think the price do? The price has actually swept out, clear out this liquidity, because what moves price is liquidity. That is fuel. So it attract liquidity, attract price. So anywhere there is lot of orders, there are a lot of pending order, that is where the price will move to. So I anticipate that the price will definitely come down to this level, since I've identified that there is a kind of trend line here. So the price will definitely come to my point of interest, and I'm waiting for buy up to the upside. So I quickly set my buy limit order at this level, and you can see I capture about 25 pips. That is ratio 1 to 2.5. So this is another one. So you can see at this level now, the price has created equal low. The price has created equal low. So you can see this is equal low, equal low. So now, when you see equal low or equal high, before you enter the market, wait for liquidity grab, or you can call it liquidity sweep. Liquidity grab is like smart money trap, like telling you that, oh, there's a breakout. Actually, is going to be fake. Breakout is going to be fake. So what you need to do is, the reason why there's a liquidity grab or fake out is people that have placed their sell limit at this level, thinking that the price will break, they will be triggered, their order will be triggered. And at the end of the day, the price pull back, hit their stop loss, and the price continue to move upside. Did you get that now? So what you need to do is, when the price break out, go with confirmation entry. So you wait for liquidity grab. So you go with confirmation entry. And how do you go do with confirmation entry? Go to your lower time frame and see what the price is doing at the lower time frame. Then place your order, and you will see the price go in your favor. So I'm not going to talk about type of entry here. So I'm just talking about liquidity. Maybe in my next video, I will talk about how you can enter with confirmation to be sure that you are actually going with smart money. So if you want me to make video on how to enter trade, confirming where the price will move to, you can drop in the comment section that I should drop the video, what you want me to drop. So that is that. You can see I grabbed this movement, and I was the ratio, that's ratio 2 to 3, 1 to 2.3. So that's another one. So let me show you another one also. So you can see at this level, this is equal high. This is equal high. So now what do? You go to your lower time frame and check for confirmation to know if the price will actually come down. So you can see there's liquidity grab here, sweeping all orders in this place. Thinking people here place their order here, they will think the price will definitely move up, and that is like the price will come back, because there are a lot of liquidity here, so the price will continue its usual direction. So let me show you the last one. And so you can see this is another one. This one is a clear liquidity sweep. So you can see at this level, there's break of structure to the downside. The price moved down. There's break of structure. So you can see this is trend line. You can see these two trend line. The price moved to this place, create a swing. Sorry, this is a swing high and swing low. Create a swing high, move back again. Create another swing high, move back again, then to the upside. So moving to the upside, the price will be looking for the nearest uh, order block to tap so that it can continue its initial movement. And where the order block is located is at this level. the nearest order block is at this level. So what you need to do is don't rush. Always wait for price to come to you. Don't chase the market. Don't chase the market. So set your stop loss at this level. The price come to it and what? And go in your favor. So that is that. Though now I want to give you an hack. Let me quickly give you an hack. What you need to do if you actually want to be profitable in forex trading. What you need to do is this. So let me show you this simple hack. This simple hack. The simple hack is number one, identify market structure. So you need to know the market bias. You need to know what the market is doing. Is the market trending up? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? And is it ranging? So once you can identify what the market is doing, you can identify the market structure. You see break of structure, you see change of character, then you see price moving up, market moving up or going down, then you are 50% ready for that trade. Then two, mark up your point of interest. So now you see break of structure, you see change of character. So what you need to do is quickly mark your order block, mark your point of interest. So if you can comfortably mark out this, then you are 70% ready. You are 70% okay. Then three, you now use liquidity concept to refine the hobbies. So the order block that you've mapped, then it is not all other block that are valid. Hope you know that it is not all other block that you map that is valid. So what you now need to refine to clear out those that are not valid is what we call liquidity and fair value gap. So you use liquidity to clear out those that are not valid. Then you move with those that are valid. Then you set your limit order or you wait for confirmation. Then you enter the trade. If you practice these three arc that I just showed you, your trade will change drastically to 90% to 99.9%. So thank you very much. If you are here to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. In this channel, I drop videos that educate, that teaches people how to make money and how to leverage on the internet to be successful. See you in my next video.